So we break it and right here. So, Huawei, the Chinese tech giant, was among the very few companies which introduced first ever AI-based camera technology back there in the Huawei P20 Pro smartphone. And that smartphone received highest overall scores by DxOMark in the premium smartphone segment, defeating likes of Apple and Samsung as well. And I'm talking about a phone which was revealed back in March 2018. So basically the motive of this speech is to let you know that how great Huawei is when it comes to the AI. And now it seems Huawei is all set to release a new project which will surely surprise you. So yeah, Huawei is now all set to launch a competitor to the OpenAI's ChatGPT. Yes, you heard it right though. Huawei, the Chinese tech giant, is preparing to launch a Pangu Chat, a new large-scale model that directly competes with the OpenAI's ChatGPT. The official launch and the internal testing of the Pangu Chat are scheduled for the July 7th at the Huawei Cloud Developer Conference. So what are the functions of the Pangu Chat? Well, basically, it will be like the ChatGPT, but it will have some unique features too. Like its meteorological model offers real-time weather forecasting with high accuracy, surpassing traditional methods, and further, it will utilize innovative network structures and algorithms to reduce errors in the typhoon path prediction. And the best part is that it will make your Huawei smartphone smarter than ever. Like slowly, it will start learning your behavior, and according to it, it will further enhance the speed of your phone, and obviously, it will make the camera of the smartphone more powerful than ever. And you know what? Huawei says training the Pangu model involves over 2000 SN910 chips and takes more than 2 months. Huawei has invested a lot, like 4000 GPU plus TPU cards and a total cost of 960 million Chinese yuan over the past 3 years to support the model's development. So I hope this upcoming project will insanely powerful and will further attract consumers related to the Huawei. And yeah, right now the name of the project is not confirmed. It could change from the Pangu Chat, but overall the functionality will remain the same. So what do you think about this amazing upcoming project of Huawei? Well, let me know in the comments down below. And as always, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.